Okay, here we are in Taipei. We're kind of in Ximending. We're kind of near the waterfront. And I see a temple over there as well. I'm going to try to get a little bit closer and show some more detail of the spot, and also just kind of where we are. And then we're going to walk from here, check out that artwork as well. And we're going to go over there towards the water. So we'll just kind of start here and show you what it looks like in this part of Taipei. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on in this one. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on. Okay, but I kind of want to highlight this temple, and I'm going to come out of the sun a little bit so you can see it, the artwork in particular. I think you saw the temple up there, dragon. It's kind of an interesting area. Some more artwork. I know you guys want to see the city streets, so we'll also take you that direction as well. Get out of the sun a little bit, and you can also see this one over here from a distance. Looks like a face of so we're gonna walk towards the waterfront, but I thought I'd start here, but the sun is kind of taking away all the color out of the shots. So we're gonna walk into the streets a little bit and navigate. Oh, looks like we got a green light here. I was gonna highlight that temple, but I noticed most people aren't really interested in that when I do that. So we're gonna try to get over there. That's the plan today. That is that temple right there, so you can see it in this shot right there. So that's that temple. I was thinking about it, but in general, people don't really seem to be interested when I go into temples. I think they either have seen one and they know what they're about already, but to be honest, I don't generally go visit churches either, so. So I think my plan was to see if I could get into the water front, and I was thinking it might be over there. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of walk. We're gonna highlight whatever we see around here. I think there's a couple traveling together. And there is a stairwell over there. So I'm just gonna walk it and see what it is. So we're kind of in this transportation spot, but I think there's a thing, and there could be a walkway up there or not. I just have no idea. So you can view some of this traffic while we're waiting, because oh, looks like we got our stop already. Okay, so these people are just going to go right into here. Got a lot more artwork in here too. Huh. Check out these cars parked here. And we're just going to walk up and see what's up there. I have no idea. I guess we'll find out in a moment. Oh, okay. I'll show you in a second. Now we're overlooking the industrial part. Now I can see a waterfront and all that. And all that. Okay. Well, I know where we're going now. Going down. Huh, check out this. There's like little rails for the bikes. So you can push your bike up, get across the street. I guess it's the only way to get across on this particular spot. The whole waterfront up here. With a little side of Taipei for you. So we're gonna go down. And we're gonna check out these bikes. And we're gonna walk down the water. And I think that this area here is kind of in this area called Ximending. And I'll probably label it. Oh, there's a stoplight. And this one is for bikes. So we're just gonna try to capture some bikes going by, and then we're gonna walk across the water real quick. So let me see here. It's pretty cool. And then now we got the river here. So kind of a cool little space. Different than you'd think. Okay, let's keep on meandering. And I guess we can capture that same feel from this side as well. And we're about 5 minutes in, so we're gonna continue. I'll tell you a little bit of stories, maybe. I'll tell you about what I think about Taipei, because actually it's kind of a cool city. Like, I didn't really expect it. The stereotype is it's kind of boring, and it kind of is at nighttime, but it's kind of not. It's just kind of spread out. But once you're inside of a place, it's kind of cool, but they close a little too early. And even this area, Ximending, is kind of like one of the main spots for young people. It's pretty quiet about 11 p.m. So, the first time I came in, I was like wondering what was going on there, because you think you'd be right in the heart of the liveliest part of the Taipei. But that being said, there's a lot of really cool stuff, and the more cool stuff there is to do, the more, you know, people don't always stay up late to fill in the void of, that's not really true. There's people that, so some of the best cities in the world are like dynamic 24 hours, so. Anyways, I won't get into that theory, but here we are. We're walking in Ximending, and we're kind of on the waterfront part, and I'm gonna go down this other neighborhood and kind of explore in that one and try to get you as much of Taipei as I can while I'm here, and I hope you like it. That little touch of the city. Give you more of an accurate portrait. I was gonna end, but I was just gonna say one last thing. A lot of times when I travel, there's the airport over there, plane coming in. A lot of times when I travel, you know, I don't look at YouTube videos just to see the tourist stuff that people go into, because they're all kind of the same. You know, like there's a bunch of people waiting in line. You know, they get something to eat, and they see, you know, Taipei 101 building. But you know, I can see images of the Taipei 101 building all over the internet. Like it's like, you know, every picture about Taipei. So I do a YouTube video about it, that, you know, to show that I was there. Like, it doesn't make any sense. But YouTube actually lets people really see what the city is really like, because a lot of people, you know, they want to see what a place is like, because they're really interested in, you know, maybe living there, or just kind of seeing what the day-to-day life is like. At least I am. I might have to change that, because a lot of people are really only interested in seeing the major sites, and they just want to actually just tap into something, see it, and go back to their home country or culture. But anyways, I like it. I like to do it a little bit differently. So anyways, we're gonna end this one as soon as we walk past this nice looking couple walking by, and that'll be the end of our video. See you in the next one. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.